All right, here we go. We're going to be doing our 3 blaster box break of Stadium Club Chrome. Good luck to everyone in this break. This is PYT number 1. There's one insert or parallel per pack. You guys are going to guess the last X Factor parallel. The player on the last X Factor parallel for 20 in credit. Get your guesses in on that. Player on the last X Factor parallel for 20 in credit. There is our empty box number 1. All right, there are the packs. There's our empty box number 3. Good luck. Guess the player on the last X Factor parallel for 20 in credit. We're going to get started here with Robbie Ray for Seattle. We have Bob Gibson. Then an X Factor of George Kirby, rookie for Seattle, starting us off there. And then we got the Max Scherzer Trophy Hunters insert. We'll insert there. Starling Marte, Joe Adele, and Carlos Correa. Ah-Seong Kim, Connor Joe, X Factor of Cal Raleigh for, and then we have a refractor, Eddie Murray. Ooh, and an auto of Key Brian Hayes. Nice hit there for Pittsburgh Pirates. Nice on card auto. Key Brian Hayes for Pittsburgh. Nice hit to the Pittsburgh spot. TJ Abrams, Boy Park, back. There's Lopez, Tim Salmon, X Factor Brandon Crawford, Beam Team CJ Abrams, Zach Louis, Paul Molitor, Wander Franco, uploaded here. Continue on. Guess the player on the last X Factor parallel for 20 in credit. Last year. Our last one to top load here, and then we'll move on. We've got 2 packs left in box 1. Or I guess 1 pack left, sorry. Our last pack feels like a. We got Garrett Cole, Willie Adames, Pete Alonso on the X Factor, a refractor of Pedro Martinez, and then a dynasty insert, Miguel Cabrera, Chris Bryant, Ryan McMahon. On to our next pack. Reed Detmers, TJ Friedel, Logan Gilbert X Factor, Dansby Refractor. Front line there. That's going to the Braves. Chaz McCormick, Brian Hayes, Enrique Hernandez. Grab your spots in Thursday's breaks, guys. That is tomorrow. We are breaking at 10 p.m. Eastern. Jake Myers. I will be updating our schedule with Monday's break, so make sure if you see that schedule link, make sure you bookmark that. Keep up with the schedule. There's Sandy Alcantara, Mariano Rivera, Isaiah Falafa. We got Willie Mays, Falafa again, and Acuna. Guess the player on the last X Factor for 20 and credit. Here's an O'Neill Cruz rookie on to Pittsburgh. On there, Ty France. Alfonso Rivas, X Factor. Team of the Future, Bobby Witt Jr., Shohei Ohtani, Cecil Fielder, John Kruk. Get the top loaded here. What do you guys think of this year's Stadium Club Chrome? I really like it. Looks nice. Definitely always like Stadium Club Chrome over the base sets, you know, the Series 1s and Series 2s. Uploading quite a few here. Get through this and then get to the rest of the break here. Again, this is giving you guys time to guess the player on the last X Factor card. You do not have to be in the break to guess. Up next is going to be our Donruss Optic Hobby. That is full now. You guys bought all the spots in there. Then we're going to end the night with our Legacy Football. That is Legacy Football PYT number 30. Legacy Football has by far been the most popular, I think, product we've broke this year. Yeah, that on-card auto, that Key Brian Hayes was on-card auto. Cool card. Oh, the Pedro Martinez was numbered. Sorry, guys, I didn't notice that. 32 out of 199. If you see that. What the heck? Sorry, guys. 2 out of 99. Felt a little thicker when I was top loading. It was like the numbered one there. All right. Here we go. Pack. That's one thing is Topps has a lot of on-card autos. They don't mess around with a lot of stickers. Jorge Polanco, Ian Anderson, Jim Abbott, Carlos Rodon, X Factor. We got the Trophy Hunter, Matt Manning rookie, Roy Campanella, Tom Seaver, Tommy Edman, Spencer Strider, Reggie Jackson, X Factor, Team of the Future. We have Pete Alonso, Josh Lowe rookie, Jared Kelnick. 3 packs left. I think Jim Abbott we hit a Jim Abbott, I think the Angels, California Angels in that. Reed Detmers. I'd have to look. Sure. The California Angels. That would go to the Los Angeles Angels. Albert Pujols. Like he's pitching for the Cardinals. Mike Trout, X Factor. Nice hit there. Kyle Muller, rookie. Fractor. Luke Voigt. Gabriel Arias. Hank Aaron. 2 packs left. Should have our last X Factor coming up. There's Jake Myers. Willie Mays. Wander Franco X Factor. Nice hit there for Tampa. Trophy Hunters Pete Alonso. Kyle Hendricks. George Brett. Lamonte Wade Jr. And our last pack should have our last X Factor. Another Onel Cruz rookie. Lucius Fox. Anthony Rizzo X Factor. Anthony Rizzo was the guest. Team team of Onel Cruz Jr., Andre Dawson, Yvonne Rodriguez, and Jeremy Pena. Top load these, do a recap, move on to our Donruss Optic coming up next. Really like the looks of the X Factors. This Fractors are nice as well. There's that updated schedule link. I will be posting Mondays up there either later tonight or tomorrow once I get it finalized. I think I'm going to leave one spot open through the weekend. That way, if anything like fills between now and then, I think most of the spot breaks we have coming into the night had over 10 spots left. So I don't know that any of them will fill over the weekend, but it's possible. Add them to it. If not, then start on Wednesday and Thursday's schedule throughout the weekend. All right, there's the Rodon X Factor, Reggie Jackson X Factor, Trout X Factor, Moeller Refractor. There's Refractor on the card too, so you know. In case you weren't sure, there's a Wander Franco X Factor. There's an Onel Cruz rookie. Anthony Rizzo X Factor, Beam Team Onel Cruz, Jeremy Pena rookie, Pete Alonso, Pedro Martinez. And again, this one was numbered out of 199, 32 out of 199 on the Pedro. Cool picture there. Destiny of Miguel Cabrera, Logan Gilbert, Dansby Swanson Refractor, Connor Falafa X Factor, Willie Mays, Onel Cruz, Rivas Rookie X Factor, Bobby Witt Team of the Future, George Kirby X Factor. We have the Max Scherzer Trophy Hunters, Cal Raleigh X Factor Rookie, Eddie Murray on the Refractor, Brandon Crawford X Factor, Wander Franco Base Rookie, and the auto was Ke'Bryan Hayes of the break. Nice Ke'Bryan Hayes on card auto for Pittsburgh. All right, that does it for this break. Up next is our Don